Hey, this is Joe Tamargo from SpaPumpRepair.com. Alright, to the next step. After removing your impeller and the seal housing, to remove the motor bearings, is you need to remove the motor switch assembly. Okay? So there's two bolts here. There's one up top here that I've removed, the nut driver, and there's one on the bottom. I've also removed the capacitor just by removing it just like this, and I've also removed the wires. Okay, just like that. So once you remove these two wires, you're going to start wiggling this carefully right over the shaft, just like this, okay? You have to slide it out because right behind here is a little switch. Okay, so you just carefully work it out. I'm going to do that for a second. In the next video, I'm going to show you what it looks like after I remove this all here. Okay? So this is Joe Tamargo. Thanks for watching Spa Pump Repair. Peace.